our underbar sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 12 inches. A height 33 inches. 33 inches is with the backsplash. And the depth of the sink, we have 29 inches. Swivel head faucet. The measurements for the spout, we have 10 inches in height and a depth of 7 inches. Measurements for the sink, we have 9 inches in length, 15 inches in depth, by 5.5 inches in height. Drain basket will be included for the sink. Coming to the bottom, the measurements for the recessed area, we have 12 inches in length, 8 inches in depth, by 7 3/4 inches high. This recessed area can be used to hold your blender, and right here is a cap that can be removed or cut to feed the wiring underneath the sink and into your main power source. And located on the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.